welcome to the vlog, birthday girl.
Oh, thank you.
I was just about to get up, well, I just got up, and walk over to the kitchen and film my pre-shopping haul for this weekend. Since Maddie's birthday party is tonight, well, it's also her birthday, I had to run out to the store and pick up some supplies, but I also got some other stuff too. So she requested a burger night. So it's burgers, animal fries, a nice tossed salad, what else? Onion rings.
Whoa.
Yeah, fancy sauce.
Nice.
So I picked up a lot of stuff. I got some Beyond Cookout Classics, some expensive pickles, some romaine for the salad and for putting on the burger if you want, cukes, the onion rings, regular fries, some beautiful beefsteak tomatoes to slice for the burgers, some rolls. I got Mark and I's favorite protein milk, but I feel like it's going to be getting dethroned this week because I was watching Plant U on Instagram and she was talking about this new Silk protein milk. This is 13 grams of protein. Whoa, 13 grams of protein. I thought I was doing good by getting the Ripple, which is 8. But if I'm going to be making a protein shake and I'm already starting out with 13 grams in the milk and then like 20 something in the protein shake, that's pretty good. That is a wonderful breakfast. I love to do protein ice cream made like that with a banana in the warmer weather, but I might have to try it in the cold weather too. Ice cream, not just for spring and summer. Ice cream is a year-round food. Well, vegan ice cream for us. I got also some garlic aioli, accidentally vegan, mayo for the party tonight. This is for Lammy. I just picked up a little... I'm tired of her eating the tuna stuff all the time. I don't think it's good, and I want to try and get her to start eating something else. But the thing is, she does not like the texture of food that's not like a soup. So I don't know what to do for her. And she doesn't like shrimp or anything like that. So I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm going to have to try and wean her off of the tuna soups. I also got some DiCecco pasta. That's one of my favorite pastas. That was on sale for $2.49. I got some Morningstar Farms corn dogs. These are one of my favorite guilty pleasures. I will have an upset stomach for these corn dogs because they're worth it. I'm sorry, they're that good.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. These made goods were marked down. I think they were like $2.99, which is very, very good. Got some Simply Ketchup. I haven't seen this yet. I feel like this is new in the United States anyway. The Oatly oat milk half and half. Wow. This is amazing. 25 calories for 2 tablespoons. That's pretty good for half and half. So I'm excited to give that a try in my coffee tomorrow morning. I also got some emergency paper towels. I've been doing a lot of cleaning, and like especially when I switched the shelves over here, I did a lot of deep cleaning and I kind of depleted my store of paper towels, so I had to replenish. Plus our favorite body wash right here, the Arm & Hammer vegan and cruelty-free body wash was on sale for 99 cents.
Unheard of.
I got 4, and then when Mark and I go shopping, we're probably going to get at least 6 to 8 more of those because Maddie uses it too.
Yeah, I buy them off of you sometimes.
Yeah, I mean, you can't beat that.
Yeah.
And it's good.
It is.
I love it.
It makes you feel very clean.
Yes, that is what soap does.
It just doesn't feel like it.
I know. All right, now I really got to get this food put away, and the party guests will be arriving soon.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
How bad would it be if I fell right
Please do
now?
not fall.
Birthday, dear Maddie.
Happy birthday to you.
Woo!
Make a wish.
I did. No,
Oh.
that's not gonna work.
Clap. All right.
Hey.
Hi, Sean.
Hi, Mommy.
What do you like for dinner tonight?
Pasta.
That's what he wants every night. We just got back from shopping. And it was a pretty quick shopping trip today because I pre-shopped yesterday already. So there's some non-vegan food here we're not going to talk about because this is vegan as fork. Come on, it's a no-brainer. So first stop was Aldi, where we got some tzatziki kettle chips, some avocado oil chipotle barbecue chips, some tofu, frozen broccoli, Wild Wonders tomatoes, fat-free refried beans, diced tomatoes and chilies. Actually, I guess this probably is not vegan either because I think this might have honey in it. No, I think it's okay. I won't eat it anyway though because it's gluten. Lettuce, green onions, seedless lemons. I think that's everything that we got at Aldi. Then we went to ShopRite. I pretty much already shopped it up. Shopped it up already. But I did pick up some more DiCecco pasta, 2 farfalles, a buffalo daring. The Albronzo was on sale for $1.99, so I got 2 spaghetti and 2, what is this one? Fusiloni. Some vegan yellow rice mix, some Italian flour, 2 kettle ragouts, 1 Sicilian gravy, paisana. The broccoli was 99 cents a pound. I picked up some more tomato paste to keep on hand for either when I do curry or when I do grape leaves. I got some lemon fava bean dip and 2 different types of vegan pesto. They actually sell, let's see, 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 types of vegan pesto now at the supermarket when they didn't even have 1 before. So that's progress. I guess the Italians win, but everybody else, they're cutting like their vegan products, which really pisses me off because I've waited so long for them to get vegan products in stock, and now they're like discontinuing them. Like I was just talking to my older daughter this morning, and I was like, Sam's Club hardly has anything that's vegan. They certainly don't really have any frozen vegan food anymore. What the hell? Even Beyond Burgers. They don't even sell Beyond Burgers anymore. I don't know if that's got anything to do. Maybe they didn't renew their contract with Beyond because they were in Chapter 11. Or what? Because why am I going to Sam's Club if they don't have any vegan stuff? We certainly can't use the tire department because they're not great. So, like, what's left at Sam's Club besides some chips and cookies? I don't know. Maybe I should discontinue my Sam's Club membership again. But I just paid for it for the year, like last month. So, I don't know. Bubby, what are you doing over there? He was so happy when we got home from the store. He just was smiling up a storm. He's a good boy. Bubby, what are you doing? Oh, you're so handsome. Where's that smile? He said, my family loves me. My frozen food just got delivered today. Bubby, you could stay another 6 weeks. Oh, hi.
Yeah.
So, I think the last time I checked in was Saturday. It's now Monday night. Monday evening.
Yeah. What did you do yesterday?
crochet, crochet, crochet.
You did. You got a lot done.
Janet's Ratchet Hair Salon was open.
Yes.
2 appointments were seen.
Yep. Dad and Sean D both got fresh cuts.
Did I get much of a tip? No.
Oh.
I did not.
Sorry.
But I didn't get any complaints either, so.
Well, that's good.
Yeah. And I see
Yes, we're swimming in yarn.
we're swimming
At
in
least
yarn.
it's being used.
Yes. I don't even know where to begin. So let's just end it.
Okay. Let's get to those birthday shout-outs.
Yeah. Well, this isn't a birthday shout out, but today was your due date.
Yes, that's
Not
right.
your due date, the date that you were supposed to be born.
Right.
You were supposed to be a groundhog.
Oh, well, shout out to the groundhog.
Yeah.
But he said 6 more weeks of winter. I could have told you that,
Boo! Unpopular.
but don't shoot the messenger.
Yeah. Don't hate the player, hate the game.
We love you, groundhog.
Yeah, he's a cutie.
Yeah.
Those dudes in the outfits, though, what the hell are they
It's
thinking?
wild. Oh, man.
I should watch Groundhog Day tonight.
Yeah.
That's a
It's a
classic.
classic.
Even though we found out that Bill Murray's kind of a jerk.
Yeah.
Well. Alright.
Ugh.
So tomorrow,
Man, the dragon.
there's mad birthday shout-outs.
Well, let's get to it.
First up.
Baby.
Yes! That's right. It's Bowie's birthday.
Bowie's birthday.
He's going to be 7 years old.
Our baby.
Of course, we will be
6 o'clock
filming
PM.
that
Watch
tomorrow.
my
The
television.
presentation of the toys.
The toys and the cookie.
And Lammy's going to join in.
Yes, of course.
We hope.
She's got to celebrate her brother.
Yes. Also born on this day tomorrow.
Yes.
Jackie Newbury's son Lance.
Lance, happy birthday.
Lance is going to be 37.
Oh, wow.
Can you believe it?
Yeah. Happy birthday, Lance.
I would assume that Jackie's probably my age.
Probably about, right?
Yeah, right?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, we did do Jackie's birthday shout out, and I forgot how old she was. She
Yes,
told
I
us.
do remember doing Jackie's
But I
birthday
think she's
shout-out.
probably good. She's probably about my age.
Yeah.
But happy birthday, Lance.
That must be it.
And we also have
Yes, the birdie now.
Laura V's birthday.
Laura, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Laura. If you'd like us to know your age, let us know. We also have Pixie Harsh's birthday.
Pixie, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Pixie.
That's right, she shares a birthday with Bowie.
That's right.
So special.
We love getting your hand-drawn cards
Mm-hmm.
all the time.
Beautiful.
They're amazing, beautiful, special, touching to us.
Yes.
At your sweet dreams.
And
Spot.
a very special heavenly birthday shout-out to...
Spot is very
Nope.
excited.
No?
No, I thought it was... No.
You know the wrong day?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, never mind about that.
Okay.
I think. Yeah, I was wrong.
Here's a daisy.
Okay. Wednesday. Let's
Okay.
move on.
Okay.
Wednesday we have Jimmy Roche.
Jimmy, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Jimmy. Hope you are going to have a great birthday this year.
Mm-hmm.
And I hope all of the birthday recipients, known and unknown,
Yes.
will be living their best day, week, month, year, lifetime of birthday happiness.
Absolutely.
Especially our Bowie boy. Oh, he's so special.
Bowie baby.
He is baby.
He is baby, of course.
He's a perpetual puppy on the inside.
Yes.
He's very immature.
Oh,
You know what I mean.
he's baby.
He's I don't think he's got a mean bone in his body. Like,
No.
he's just very loving,
Happy-go-lucky.
happy-go. Well, he's also very anxious.
Yes.
So he's
Can
not
relate.
that happy-go-lucky.
Well.
But he is a puppy at heart.
Yes.
And I love that about him. We had a Chihuahua that looked like a puppy, But he was definitely not immature.
No.
He was conniving. Remember when?
I still love him and miss him though.
All right, here's Sean. It's a little loud in here, please. He doesn't
Good.
care.
Okay, deal with it.
Do you remember? And I know you do. When we used to buy the giant size rawhide
I
packs, and we would put them in a pile on the floor.
Yep.
Ed Verdell would go and take them one by one to his nest.
He had like 10 in there at once.
He would sit on a pile of doggy rawhides
Yeah.
and defend it against
That
the
couldn't have been
world.
comfortable.
No, but he had to.
Yeah.
Bowie, stop.
Bubby, is your daddy home?
Yes, my dad is home.
Oh!
I have to let the world know.
Yeah.
Haircut. Come over here. Show off my handiwork.
Oops.
Let's see that sexy haircut.
There's like 2 hairs left on my head.
Stop.
Oh
There's
my
more
God.
than that.
Hello, baby.
Oh, Dad, it's almost my birthday.
No.
I'm going to be middle-aged.
Oh, baby.
That's a good story.
We hope.
Boy.
No more. There's a 7.
All right.
Baby.
So what else you got?
Not much.
Yep.
The sink is still not fixed, but it has been looked at, and it seems like they know what the problem is, and
Yeah.
hopefully it will be fixed tomorrow.
No. You put
Wonderful.
spot clothes in
Yes.
the playground before
Hopefully
story time was
they're
spot.
correct.
Yeah, it seems like it's a clogged like vent
Yeah.
thingy, air vent.
Right.
So
Hopefully they can get up there and not.
yeah, someone's gonna have to go up on the roof. It's not gonna be me.
Yeah. No.
No, it's gonna be our landlord's brother. So
Okay. Well, good luck to him.
yes, absolutely.
And I guess that's it.
All
We're
right.
gonna have a power-packed crochet video tomorrow.
Tomorrow's crochet video is gonna be lit. We've been making a lot of fun things.
We got some Happy Mail.
Yes.
It's gonna be lit.
Yes.
All right.
So we hope you'll join us for that.
Yes, on the Granny by Nature crochet channel.
Yes.
Take it away.
All right. Thanks everybody so much for watching. We hope you had a wonderful weekend. We hope if you were in the path of the storm that you're safe.
Yes, and you have
And-
power and
yes.
food and
All
comfort.
of it. Yes. So we'll see you soon. And until next time,
Much love. Bye, everybody.